Okay, it seems people like the cooking videos, and so I was asked if I will do a carnivore video, and so it is that I am housing meat in my fridge right now, which is quite amazing, and I'm going to cook it tonight. And I'm going to do, it's like a curry, yeah, but it's like an Aussie curry that my mum taught me, which is traditionally made with the rest of your Sunday roast leftovers. And a heap of sweet stuff. So it's like a sweet curry. I'm making it really non-traditional because we're actually not going to use roast or anything like that. But let's see how it goes. I've got my snazzy table, I might use that today. First, let's check out what's in the fridge. Okay, we're going to use this. That's heaps. That's a lot of food. That's all. Oh. There she is. Meat in the van. Wow. Beans. Let's do this. Chop the onions, chop the vegetables, mise en place, put everything in its place so it's nice and organized, and then pop it all into the pressure cooker. Hallelujah. It's so easy. Throw it all in, chuck in the curry powder, the mango chutney, veggie stock. And yay, it's going to be delicious. Now, if you don't know how to chop an onion, I'm going to show you.
Don't cut yourself. Lesson already when it comes to food scraps in the sink. It's not ideal because I have this kind of U-shaped pipe and food can get stuck in it, as I've discovered, and then it stinks. I don't want that. So basically no food in the sink whatsoever.
We're going to grab some oil and we're going to cook up these onions, and then we're going to add the meat, and then we're going to do the veggies, and we're going to add the veggies, and then I'm going to show you what spices I'm putting in. We might even add our little table here. We have a table. Now we are using 3-star. Jesus, I don't know what that means, but it's Aldi. Thank you very much. I'm going to turn it on. Got the flame going on there. I'm actually just going to chuck this right in. We're not even going to wait. We're just going to chuck it in. So up here we have our mango chutney. There she is, stock and seasoning. Our curry powder. So that's looking well cooked. I'm going to actually put the meat in now. Let's open this up. Ta-da! I've just turned that off for the meantime because it's actually cooking so fast. I'm just gonna like finish these veggies, chop, 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 put them all in, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it do its thing. There was light. We're actually not going to stir too much, but we're going to put in this one. Guesstimate. And we'll take this one. We're going to mix it a little bit, but it doesn't really matter because it's a pressure cooker. Well, we did make one mistake in timing. I thought it was a good idea to do this before the sunset, but now I can't actually go and see the sunset because I have to man the van, or woman the van, so to speak. Anyway, hopefully it cooks really quickly and then I can run away into the sunset. There she is. It's actually totally delicious. And I just did it just in time for this beautiful sunset. Aruba car park, it's the place to be. We'll get out of here soon. And the best part, when the friend comes to town in the car park. I'm so lucky.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetito.
Hope you'll taste soon.
Tell me how it tastes.
Oh my god, I love that. Okay,
Honestly.
5 to yours. We're gonna
It
have
should
a bite
be like
with all the
perfect
colors.
temperature by now. She likes that. Like it?
It's crazy good. What?
Crazy good, Freya love.
Masala.
I'll show you how much food this actually turned out to be. There's so much more. That's definitely a very full container. Yeah, absolute deliciousness that will last me a week, and it will be good because my fridge is so cold. Yeah. Lastly, I'll say that I have a data issue on my phone and I need to clear some stuff because I have no more space. So wish me luck and I will see you soon.